Bella thing from New York, her heart is too sore. She feel all alone, but I've been there before. She just like it when you say less and do more.
Hey guys, it's your girl Bomb Nia. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I will be installing this T-part wig. This wig is from AFsister Wigs. The wig came pre-plucked, but I plucked a little bit more. I bleached the knots and I sprayed lace tint. So I'm taking my wax stick and smoothing my edges back just to protect them from getting glue on them. Now I'm using a nude wig cap and I'm doing the air through the hole method. This method is so easy for doing your bald cap. Now I'm laying my wig cap down by going around the perimeter of my head using my Erica J Hold Me Down lace adhesive. Y'all, this lace glue is just so bomb and it makes your wig cap, your lace, everything stick. And I like to spray a little got to be glue for extra hold. And of course, with my blow dryer on cool, I'm just making sure everything is dry to prepare me to cut the excess cap. Now I'm using my foundation to cover the front of the cap so it can look like my scalp and blend better. This part is optional since I did tint my lace with lace spray. This part, of course, is self-explanatory. I'm just cutting the excess cap to form my bald cap, and I'm just making sure everything is, you know, properly cut and customized to prepare me to lay down my lace. Now this part is a must. If the lace is too big, make sure you go in and cut the ear tabs of your wig so it can fit better to your head. And what I like to do before I put that glue down, I like to cut off sections of my wig and cut majority of the lace off. I just found out like this works better for me. So this part got cut, but I did lay down the Erica J lace glue and I did put more than usual because when you don't put enough glue, you're going to have to keep going back and having to put more glue down, making the process longer, and nobody got time for that. And I have my blow dryer on between cool and warm, and I'm just going around that area making sure that it's dry. And I'm also doing this in sections because it's easier this way. With my blow dryer on cool, I'm drying that glue down until it's tacky. I didn't want it to dry all the way because I would have to lay more glue down, and I just wanted it to be one layer. You don't have to put multiple layers when doing your wigs. You just have to put a good amount of glue down. When I'm cutting my lace, I like to first cut in 3 sections and then I use an eyebrow razor because it makes the lace jagged. And we want the hairline to be jagged and not straight across because then your hairline will be boxy, and nobody has a boxy hairline in real life. Now I'm just using my face powder to remove the shine from the glue on my lace. Now this is also optional, but I wanted baby hairs in a more dramatic look, so I'm taking little parts of the front of the lace and I'm using my hot comb, basically training the front part of my hair so it won't move back with the rest of my hair. And I'm using the Got To Be glue spray for the extra meltdown, and now I'm using a wig band for the ultimate meltdown. The products that I'm using, I have them on my Amazon store, so just make sure that you click that link below in my description box. While the lace is melting, I'm styling the wig to my liking, And let me just say, this olive oil mousse is a must-have. Like, it lays your hair and your edges down without leaving it crunchy or hard. And I just absolutely love this for laying your regular hair down or your wigs down. Now with my flat iron, I'm using the Arrogant Tay method that's been circulating everywhere around YouTube. I love this method because you're basically training your baby hairs to go in the direction you want it to go without doing too much. Now I'm going back in that mousse and putting a generous amount on my baby hairs. I find it better to lay them down, way better than using hair gel. This is a must step for beginners. Right now, I'm just going back and forth, playing with my baby hairs, cutting and organizing my baby hairs to my liking. I just want to say this wig flat irons so well. Like, no funny, this is my favorite T-part wig ever right now. So I decided to cut my hair in layers, and I saw this method on another girl's channel. Shout out to With Mesh. Go check out her YouTube channel. I'm using sections of my hair to frame my face, and I'm just cutting. I've never been a big fan of layering my hair until now. So I'm using a wax stick to lay down my hair so it won't be no flyaways, and it also helps with using my hot comb so I won't have that helmet wig look, because we don't want that, y'all. Now I'm using my face powder and a small paintbrush to make my middle part more visible and precise. Now I'm using the Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum to bring some shine to my hair and to get rid of the frizziness and the flyaways, because you know we don't want that either, y'all. While the cameras was off, I decided to go and cut more of my baby hair. I have no complaints. Like, it plucked easily. There was a little bit of shedding, and that's only because I plucked the hair and I also bleached the knots. But this hair flat irons so well. I did a couple of new techniques with the layering. I did the Arrogant Tay method, which really helped me out. I went ahead and did the flip over because I actually like how this look. Like, I look so sophisticated in this. I absolutely love this hair, guys. Like, look how it flows. Like, if y'all could feel how soft this hair is, y'all would be like, look at it. This is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys learned a thing or two, because it ain't that easy. You gotta put in that work, and practice makes perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and most importantly, stay bomb.